Hello learners, welcome to eShiksha Bytes. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is conjunctive adverbs, and we have studied about the adverbs in the previous session. That adverb, word that modifies a verb, an adjective or an adverb itself. If we write go slowly, so this is your adverb. But sometimes the adverb is used to join ideas, and to give a variety in a writing, to show the smooth transition of one idea to the another idea, we use conjunctive adverbs. So basically an adverb connecting ideas instead of modifying words. Here I told you that go slowly slowly here is basically modifying the verb, but conjunctive adverbs, they actually don't modify the words, but they actually connect the ideas. Now, it also provides a smooth transition from one thought to the next thought. And the rule says that it is followed by a semicolon, and there is usually a comma after the conjunctive adverbs. See, we have many conjunctive adverbs like therefore, we have therefore, moreover, nevertheless. When they are used in a sentence and when they modify any verb or an adjective or an adverb as well, they become the adverbs. But when they are used to join the sentences or the ideas, then they are known as your conjunctive adverbs. Let's study in detail with the help of the examples. For example, Ria wanted to see a romantic movie. Then this, however, is your conjunctive adverb, where however is basically used to show contrast. Contrast here is that this Ria, she wants to see a romantic movie, but on the other hand, her sister wants to see comedy. So however is basically is showcasing a contrast, which means then also. But if we use it in a different way, if I say uh, however hard he tried, he could not control his feelings. In this is your adverb. Now, principal had different opinion, therefore we went a separate ways. Now again we have a semicolon before this subjunctive, your conjunctive adverb, and after it we have comma, and therefore basically showcase a reason, or I would say is showcasing basically a kind of a sequence or as a result of something. So as a result of something, that principal has different opinion, so as a result, therefore we went a separate ways. You need to concentrate on your studies. This is again a adverb. From this idea you are getting another idea, and this idea is joined by this conjunctive adverb, that is otherwise. Otherwise means or else. So you need to concentrate on your studies, otherwise you will fail the class, or else you fail the class. Krishna was determined to get high marks. She was determined to get high marks. Nevertheless means in spite of that. We have discussed that with in spite we always use of, and with despite we don't use it. So these are basically your prepositions. So nevertheless is your conjunctive adverb, because from this particular sequence Krishna was determined to get high marks, but though he is determined but he didn't pass. So nevertheless is the conjunctive adverb. In spite of his determination, he did not pass. So let's do some more practice on it. A tropical storm was forecast. Dash, we stayed in the resort. Now this is a forecast. Then what happened? Hence we stayed in the resort. From this we cannot, however, is used for basically a contrast. Do we have any contrast over here? No. Moreover means when you give some additional information, so that is not given. So right option is hence. Conjuncting adverbs act like conjunctions. They are adverbs. Now here we have a contrast. They act like conjunctions. They act like conjunctions, but actually they are adverbs. So however, because however is used to show contrast. You need to put more effort into your work dash you won't get passing grade. Now we have more over here means additional. We are getting any additional information, additionally something, and it's a simple thing that you need to put more efforts into your work. This is one thing. Otherwise what happened? You won't get passing marks or else. So otherwise is the right option. Smoking gives you bad breath. Okay, it's a statement that smoking gives you bad breath dash it is harmful for health. Do you getting any contrast over here? No. So it is giving something additional information, a transition from one thing to the another thing. So the right option is moreover. So smoking gives you bad breath, moreover it is harmful for your health. So this is how, when you use the conjuncting adverbs to connect the ideas, to bring transition in your writing, it beautify your language and it removes the monotonous tone in your writing. So keep learning. Thank you all of you. Like, share and subscribe the channel.